All right, hello world, and I'm back with another session from WWDC 2022, and this time it's going to be what's new in TextKit and text views, which is really interesting because there is a lot of problems with text views, like with multi-line and things like that. So I'm really interested and curious to see what they have in petto this year for us. And I have prepared the video already. As always, I'll be counting down from 3 and click play. So if you want to watch alongside me, make sure to prepare a second device with the video and just click play with me together. If you're interested in just a summary and my notes, just get to the end of the video, the last couple of minutes where I'm going to summarize that. All right, let me turn off the music here and now let's get right to it. Have prepared the video already and I'll be counting down. So 3, 2, 1, play. All right, everybody, I'm sorry for that, but I thought this is about text views in terms of improving things in SwiftUI, like the text view in SwiftUI and things like that. But it turns out it is basically only about TextKit. So I thought it's like TextKit part, and then there is the part that talks about the SwiftUI view. So I'm going to stop watching it from here because this is too low level for me, to be honest. I think this is only relevant if you're really working with TextKit directly, and this is kind of a low level API. I'm not really using it directly. If you're writing like a text editor, of course you need that, but otherwise this is too specific, I think, for most people, including me. So I'll be stopping right here, and yeah, to stopped, let's add a call out here, stopped here, let's say minutes for, stopped here after 5 minutes, as too specific about TextKit, and I'm just not interested in TextKit. And so we're breaking this down here, and what I learned so far is basically that they're using now TextKit 2 by default for any text view in iOS and macOS. And that's one of the things I didn't even know they were using still TextKit 1 under the hoods, and I don't know what that means, like how that affects code. But the people who are using it, they will probably know exactly what's going on here. But that's also why I can't really give you also a summary that really is useful, other than just that TextKit 2 is what you should definitely be using, because they said that future performance enhancements and updates will all come in TextKit 2. In other words, nothing is going to be changed in TextKit 1. And yeah, that's this this video then for me here. And sorry for everyone who was looking forward to a full watch along. Instead, we're going to take a short break here again before we are going on to the next topic, which is going to be meet the expanded San Francisco founder family. So watch out for that, and I hope you'll be back for that. See you in a couple of minutes.